Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be talking about Rocky Linux. Yes, Rocky Linux, because after the end of life of slash end of support of CentOS, if I'm not wrong, Rocky Linux has gotten more users. If we say that way, we're just gonna make it a lot more, and hopefully can make this bigger in time switch. Okay, and we're gonna make the view to 300. Okay, perfect. We are just gonna install it straight away because this PC has practically nothing on it, and I mean it's just a drive, so yeah. Just gonna wait for it to boot if it can. If it doesn't, then I'll have to find another way. But if I'm not wrong, it's really booting, so it should be fine. Just wait. Shouldn't take that long. But yeah. Anyways, today is a Sunday video. If you guys like this video, please check out my other channels. Yeah. So yeah, give me a moment. Starting control installation files in time during. Okay. What? Okay, I guess that was not important. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Okay, I'm just gonna see it at the start of the video first. So yeah, let's just continue first for now. Yeah, we wait, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I'm using. This is technically mine is technically 10 gigabit, but I guess it reads as gigabit. But sure, very weird. But never mind. We are just gonna set up root password. This is kind of easy, but okay. Have to press down twice. Okay. Can we not begin installation? Here's this one. And press that. Okay, can we begin installation? We won't touch it until. Okay, no disk selected. This one. Okay, done. Okay, great. We can begin installation. That was pretty quick. Yeah, just gonna let it start installing and creating its partitions. One thing I like about Ubuntu Linux, not Rocky, because this is my first time, Ubuntu quickly asks you for what drive you want to use, and it immediately installs, so it's faster. But yeah, for Rocky, if I'm not wrong, it's installing only after you give it, and it's all in one step. So yeah, anyways, we're just gonna wait for this to finish. It shouldn't take very long. This is the minimal edition. I don't know whether it's the normal edition, because I've not really used Rocky Linux before. It's like one of my first times. I mean, this is my first time because in this series is where we try out new operating systems and teaching people how to install them. So yeah, if you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, and you can also check out my other videos. My other videos are amazing. So yeah, we are just gonna wait for this to load while I open up another thing. So yeah, anyways, we are just gonna. You're just gonna wait for this to install. It shouldn't take that long. I mean, it's gonna take quite long, but not very long. It's just gonna install and finish everything. By the end of this, it should finish kind of quick. So yeah. Anyways, it should. Yeah. Let me just talk about Linux. So, what is Linux? I already did a video about that, but I like to talk more about it every week in every video. So yeah, I hope you guys like this part of the installation because I'll do some in-depth explaining. So firstly, today, after talking about what is open source in all my other videos, today I'm going to be talking about the AOSP. The AOSP is the Android open source project. So yeah, Android is based on the Linux kernel. So if you have an Android phone at home, you can just, I don't know, is it even going to be a flex? Just, you can tell your friends, I guess, that it runs Linux. Like, you can act smart and cool, I guess. But I mean, your friends probably won't even know what's Linux. So yeah, Android open source project is based on Linux. So yeah, that's not the only thing. There are also a lot of other operating systems based on Linux kernel. For example, we have OpenHarmony and Harmony OS. Huawei just made their own operating system, and we also have a lot of others. For example, the Raspberry Pi Foundation has their own Raspbian OS. And if you want to make your own, you can obviously go to the LFS, which is the Linux from scratch page. And I mean, I've tried it before. Very painful. I have no clue to do it. It's not their fault, it's my fault. I have no clue to use that. But yeah, if any of you are smarter out there, you guys should go and give it a try because I just can't do it. Maybe you guys can. So yeah, anyways, we're just gonna wait for this to load. shouldn't take that long. I mean, it is gonna take quite long, but yeah. And if you guys like this video, please go and check out the rest of my videos. And if you want me to do any kind of videos, you know, you can always leave it in the comment section, and I can always check out what you guys want me to make, and I'll make a video about it. But yeah, by the way, if you wanna ask me to make content, please tell me content that I actually know how to make. For example, you guys me to make coding tutorials, this kind of thing. Yeah, I know this kind of thing. So yeah, if you ask me this kind, I probably can make a video or two about Python, maybe some C++ if I study it hard enough, because I am currently learning C++. So yeah, yeah, and I will also probably make videos on the Raspberry Pi, if like what Linux operating systems the Raspberry Pi. So yeah, if you guys want me to do that, you can also leave that in the comment section. It'll be very helpful for you all to tell me what videos I should make, so that you guys can actually enjoy watching those videos. So yeah, anyways, this installation should finish anytime now. I mean, it seems like it's gonna finish soon, but we don't really know. We're just gonna wait for it. It's generating its own thing, and yeah. Anyways, if you guys don't know what's Linux, you guys should just go and try it out. You can just what's that called? Sorry. You guys can use the live edition of Linux. I mean, a flavor or distribution of Linux. Then you can go and choose it, and then just try it out. You don't have to erase the data on your PC or anything. And yeah, I'm trying to switch. Just gonna take it as this one, because this one doesn't seem like the live edition. So yeah, we're just gonna leave that up there first. Oh, wait for things to work. Okay, let's cancel the top thing. I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Localhost login. What? What? Maybe I should do what they tell me to do. System CTL enable. There's this now. Spacebar cockpit. Dot socket. And yes, obviously that key doesn't work. Cockpit. Dot socket. Okay. Oh yeah, it won't allow me to do that. Does it? No. Okay, time to reboot. Interesting. Just have to power up the machine. This time I'm going to remove the internal drive first. Oh, it's really removed them. That's interesting. Now we have to restart it again. The pain. I probably should work this time. If not, I'll be kind of confused. Okay. I'm gonna go with this option. I don't even know what's this, but we will see. Let's hope this is the operating system. This is Green Obsidian. No, I don't really know what it means, but yeah. Oh, okay. I mean, sure, but localhost. I didn't even have a name for that. What is my localhost login? I didn't set a name, did I? Nah, 100% sure I didn't. So that's confusing. Let me try Quirky tag. Quirky. Okay, is there a thing where it uses its own name? Wait, let me just go and check. How do I get past this screen? This is Rocky Linux. Password. Yes. Yes, I have absolutely no clue I can do this. So yeah. Okay, there is a way to reset it, but for now, I have absolutely no clue what is happening. So yeah, let me go and just rerun this again. It's quite obvious I ran into a problem that I have no clue what is going on. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this ISO again and start it up. Just switch to the full screen mode so you guys can see better. And yes, test this media install. Install Linux in basic graphics mode. Rescue. Booting from local drive. Boot failure. Okay, we can tell that booting from the local disk does for sure do nothing. And now we are just gonna restart and reinstall, I guess. We can try rescuing the installation, but you really have to see because I have no clue what's going on either myself. So we're just gonna press enter. Install in the basic graphics mode. Now we wait for this to do its thing again and we can reinstall. I don't know, I feel like this is just gonna bring me back to the installation page. But we're just gonna wait. If this doesn't work, then I might have to make a part 2 to it. So yeah, my part 2 is probably gonna come next week when I actually find self storage. So switch that out, help F1. No. What? So in the boot process, I have this cursor, but I don't have it inside Rocky Linux. Does Rocky Linux have a GUI? If not, I might be correct. The local host should be fine, right? Okay, installation stuff. Okay, disconnected. It's disconnected. Okay, it's on now. And I mean, it's definitely not a gigabit port. It's not a gigabit here. It's a 10 gigabit port. But anyways, we're just gonna press down here and under. This is so laggy. Root account. Okay, we just leave it as disabled. Now we're just gonna system. This one we're gonna choose this and refresh everything. Done. Just click done. Why is this so laggy? Someone out. Okay, good. This one is selected. Now we're just gonna press done. We are just gonna reclaim space. Yeah, we're just gonna delete all. And reclaim space. Okay, then we are gonna go into location media just to make sure everything is okay because it's kind of weird. Can I do something else? Okay, maybe no. We're just gonna press that for now and just install it. We don't want root password. Don't touch your discontinue. Again, install. Okay. So it is a must to get a root account. What is the root user? Never mind, I'll just take it as its root. Okay, time to just press this. Guess I found a problem. We didn't do this just now. Username QTech, I better remember that. Okay, I guess it's done now. We are gonna press done twice. Okay, QTech. Okay, I guess we're gonna become QTech. Okay, so now this we're gonna install everything again. So now I got even more time to talk about Linux. So yeah, there's the Android open source project, like I stated just now. The Android open source project, there's a lot of operating system based on it. Like for example, we have Color OS, we have Xiaomi's MIUI, we have Huawei's EMUI, and we also have a lot of others. Let me just think of a few at the back of my mind. We have FunTouch OS, if I'm not wrong. We have Hydrogen OS, we have Oxygen OS by OnePlus, and we have Lineage OS and Mteria OS by just open source makers, I guess. Yeah, and those are not the only few. There's a lot more. Like, let me just think of a few phone companies real quick. Because Samsung with their One UI. So yeah, these are some of the examples of Android open source project usages. So yeah, and if you want to install or make your own mobile device, kind of hard, but if you want to, you can always install Mteria OS, Lineage OS, and I just thought of one more at the back of my mind, Arrow OS, to try. So yeah, you can try out all these Android operating systems and not being stuck with the one that came with your phone or your tablet or the device you're using. So yeah, that's not all. The Linux Foundation is also very widespread. So Huawei is now developing their own operating system, and yes, it is still by and there it's by the Linux distribution, but so it's part of the Linux distribution and the Linux Foundation. Sorry, I'm getting mixed up my words. So yeah, okay. So this thing, right? How do I say it? It's Open Harmony, which is based off Linux, and Harmony OS, which is made by Huawei, is made by Open Harmony, and Open Harmony, not it's not made by, it's based on, but yeah, and Open Harmony is based on Linux. So yeah, so the Linux is a very widespread foundation, and you can do a lot of things with it. So yeah, anyways, now we are just gonna wait for it to load. So yeah, I might keep quiet for a moment because I don't know, but I'm probably gonna talk more about Linux one. Yeah, okay, let me talk more about, you know, the Linux, because why not? While this wait, right? Yeah. I'm sorry if I stuttering a bit. It's not very late. It's just 2023, but I'm kind of tired today. I mean, yeah, you should. I know you guys might think that I say this every day, but yeah, sorry guys. I usually film my videos late in the night, either at 10 o'clock to. I film within 10 to 2 a.m. So yeah, I film very late because in the morning I have a lot of schoolwork to do. Not saying you guys are unimportant, you guys are very important to me, all those subscribers and all those viewers. Yeah, I just want to build a community where we can discuss more about technology together. And yeah, this is my goal I want to achieve by having more subscribers, and I can create a community on YouTube. So yeah. Anyways, we are just gonna wait for this to install. It shouldn't take very long. I mean, you already saw it just now, how long it took. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys like this video to this point, please leave a like and subscribe and smash the like button. It'll really do me a great favor. So yeah. Anyways, after watching Rocky Linux, there's a lot of other videos I also did make, but yeah, we can check those out later. Now we are just gonna wait for this to finish. This, if I'm not wrong, should be the last step. Then we can reboot the system and it should work magically. Now let's just close this two things on top. I don't know. I feel like I might have accidentally installed the non-GUI version, which I mean I do not mind. I do not mind no GUI, but yeah, I'm just gonna make sure that I check. Okay, I'm just gonna help search whether it is. Oh yeah, we are just gonna reboot this until it's done. What's that one called? Let me think of it. That one is, oh yeah, Rocky Linux. Guys, give me a moment. Just let me check whether this is the GUI version. Linux minimal. Does it have a GUI? I know you guys are probably thinking, does it have a GUI? And you're probably blaming me because I did check, but yeah, it's probably my fault. So yeah, guess what, there isn't. So yeah, let me just make sure that this works first. Yes, I am in. So yes, I just forgot to create my user just now. Kinda dumb of me, but yeah. Anyways, can we do sudo? Yes, can we do sudo apt? Yeah. QTech is not enough. Sudo was file. Sudo how do you change a user? Never mind, let me think. Exit. Okay, yeah, exit works. Now we're gonna go in as root. Okay, yeah, now I'm root. So sudo should work. Sudo su. Oh, it already gave me root. Now let's do sudo apt install. No, sudo apt -get sudo apt install neofetch. Is apt not on this? Yeah, it's not. Sudo pkg. Okay, pamac pacman get It's not even a thing, right? Wait, let me just check. Wait, activate the web console by using systemctl. No, it's fine. Let me just go and check whether there's Rocky Linux uses. Okay, Rocky Linux package manager. Does Rocky Linux don't have a package manager? It's a Linux distribution. Okay, what does Red Hat? How do you do this? This is kind of painful. It's probably because I didn't know this. Yeah, but turns out, yeah, it's my fault. Okay, I should have checked this out. Rocky Linux is not a Debian distribution. It's a Red Hat Enterprise Linux distribution. So I'm just gonna find a package manager for this because I really do need a package manager. And if I don't even know whether this has a package manager, so yeah, I'm just gonna go and check what Rocky Linux package manager is. Okay, I mean there's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a snap store on this. So this is actually okay. So sudo dnf store. You know, no, I'm not even gonna try snapd, right? Yeah. Okay, sudo yam. Why is there so many different things? Oh yes, it is. Oh, this is painful. Yam install snap. Okay, this actually works. Interesting, but I'm not gonna use now. I'm just gonna install it because why not? There's other things I need to install, so like other things. You guys will see in a minute. We are just gonna let this install first because I might need this later. Never mind, you're just gonna do sudo yam install neofetch. This might not be a package, is it? I guess they do not have neofetch. That's neofetch not supported. Let me check. Neofetch on Rocky Linux. How to run neofetch with new Rocky Linux. Okay, wait, give me a moment. I'm on Rocky Linux again, trying to find how to do it. But yeah, if sudo yam -y install https. Yeah, this might take me a while to type this whole thing because I'm using my phone while to check this while doing this. So yeah, /jp2a/files/ wait, what slash? No, sorry, no slashes. Okay, now we are just gonna do /files. Okay, now we are just gonna /files. Yeah, sorry, it's my fault. -1.0.8-1.EL8.x86 underscore. This is what the type 64.rpm. Please tell me this works. Yes, it does. Okay, complete. Now we are just gonna do $. Where's the $? Here. jp2a space --size 30 times. Does this not have times? Let me just find the times sign on the keyboard first. This is the only times sign I'll see, so yeah, times 15 space -- background equals light Rocky Linux.jpg. Okay, yeah, don't ask why is this so much to type. Okay, output equals rocky.txt. I feel like I'm just writing the code for it to display out whatever it needs. That's painful. Okay, now we are just gonna go and delete this, knowing that because of this. then dash. Not found. We are gonna have to do this again. Weird. Oh. Okay. I feel like this dollar sign is not needed. And it's also because, no, actually, yeah, we need the dollar signs just because there's meant to be a J and an I. Okay, that's gonna be a whole lot of problem. I'm 100% sure I don't need a dollar sign now. Still not found. I'm just gonna run new fetch. What? That's just ASCII rocky.txt. Okay, why does this not work? This is kind of painful. Guess I have to. Oh, there's a different way now. They updated it, so I should have a newer version. But anyways, guys, I don't think I can go any further for today. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Probably be done for today's video. Please leave a like, subscribe if you like it, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.